I'm Stefan Verhulst and I'm the Academic Director of FlowCore. Flow Cytometry Core Facility, or FlowCore, is a service core facility, and this means that we offer our high advanced flow cytometry instruments, we have expertise that can do data analysis, and we offer support. FlowCore offers us both analyzers and sorters, and we can perform high throughput sample. FlowCore is located in Brussels, and our services are immediately available. We also are competitive for both national and international core facilities. We provide our services to researchers of both academia and industry.